Hey guys, this is Matt Core from ControlPaint.com. This is a direct continuation of Perspective Sketching 1. In that series, we covered the basic rules for drawing with freehand perspective. And now it's time to put them into practice with some real-world drawing. So in this series, we're going to see how a simple set of rules can be used for a wide variety of subjects. And since this is all about workflow, we're not going to review any of those basic rules. So if you missed Perspective Sketching 1, it's a good idea to check it out. I'm going to be going through a lot of examples in this series. So hopefully you'll see that there's no single correct way to approach this stuff. Depending on your assignment, you might need to recombine these methods into a workflow that better suits your needs. The point is, these techniques are basic and versatile. So I encourage you to use and modify them as much as you like. And as we look at these bunch of examples, it's important for you to see the common thread through all of them. I'm only using perspective as a scaffolding to build my drawing on top of. Whether it's the perspective grid, measuring, section lines, or even just working in symmetry, they're all mental guides. At the end of each drawing, I'll erase my guidelines, just leaving the drawing itself. In fact, as you get more and more familiar with drawing in perspective, you might not draw these construction lines to begin with. Since I've been doing this stuff for years, I'll often just give myself a few guidelines. And most of that understructure is really just in my mind's eye. I'm just imagining it. Of course, getting to this point takes time and practice. But know that the eventual goal of all this is conditioning yourself to see perspective everywhere. And that allows you to draw it pretty automatically. And once you get here, your drawings are really going to improve. So let's get started with some examples.